Align tube frames to the top's holes with 24 of the 25 mil screws using a Phillips bit and screw gun. Align the adjustment U-channel and the top supports to the top's pre-drilled holes. Install 16 of the 25 mil screws using a Phillips bit and screw gun. Insert the wiring into the tube frame and through the adjustment U-channel. Apply pressure until the column snaps into place. Place the foot on top of the column, aligning the holes. Fasten the foot to the column with 4 screws using a 12 mil Allen wrench. Repeat this step for the other foot. Twist each leveler into the hole of the foot until tightened. Align the power supply with the pre-drilled holes. Attach 2 of the 25 mil screws with a screwdriver. Align the hand switch with the pre-drilled holes. Attach 2 of the 16 mil screws with a screwdriver. Plug the power cord and handset into the power supply. Thread the power cord through the cord mounting clamps and align the holes on the clamps with the pre-drilled holes on the tabletop. Attach with screws. With some help, turn the table upright and begin use.